Hi guys, it's Pascal Miller, Group 1. Here is my second attempt at this assignment for this week, the 3.5 Analysing Behaviourism. So you should be able to see me down the bottom here the whole way through this recording and my PowerPoint slides behind. It's the first time today that I've been using PowerPoint and Screen-O-Matic. So I hope I got it right. Okay, so my experience. So analysing behaviourism through my experience of learning touch typing and my analysis of the teacher's use of positive punishment is that it was an ineffective strategy. Okay. So in high school we were taught touch typing skills in Year 10, and it was over a few weeks. And the teacher used a behavioural learning strategy called operant conditioning, which was identified by Skinner for the first time, which is the use of positive and negative consequences to strengthen or weaken voluntary behaviour. That's the definition by Duchesne and McMorr in 2010. The aim of this strategy was to discourage negative behaviour, which is the hunt and seek or using two fingers for typing, and to encourage positive behaviour, which was the touch typing or blind typing, where you weren't looking at the keyboard, you weren't looking at your fingers, just looking at the text while you're copying it with a typewriter. So the teacher applied the method of positive punishment, which is something like this. The forceful slamming of a wooden ruler on a student's desk from behind, so you didn't even know it was coming, every time a student was caught by the teacher performing the negative behaviour. The outcome was, personally for me, I did achieve touch typing in the first class, and most students in the class did after a few lessons, but a few number in the class never did really achieve touch typing skills, and therefore the conditioning failed for them. So, slide number 3. So why did this method fail? On reflection, I think there's possibly two reasons. The first one is that the teacher got it wrong. Excuse me, I might just move my face up here. See me better? So the teacher really didn't apply the operant conditioning method properly because they didn't follow the principle of contingency. Contingency is the association between the cause and the effect, or the stimulus and the response. So every time somebody did a negative behaviour, the positive punishment should have been applied. But what actually happened was, every time the ruler went down like this, it would affect the whole class. So even those who were exhibiting positive behaviour, the touch typing, they were punished as well. So it was collective punishment. See my little picture over there. So that's why I think one reason why it failed. The other thing is that, the use of positive punishment as a negative response was also seen as a reward by those few that never achieved the touch typing. This is in line with what Woods in 2008 found with a case study with a UK student from grade 5 called Zach, who consistently broke school rules. And it was her job to analyse behaviourist theory methods and behavioural discipline. And she found that really those behavioural discipline methods are flawed because they neglect 3 key dimensions of children's experience, which is emotions, a sense of justice, and their relationship with peers. So I'll give you an example of this. So what happened was the students who were getting the positive punishment, a positive the slamming down of the ruler on the desk by the teacher, they just put all their energy into annoying the teacher until the teacher was going red in the face and getting really cross, because they were just repeating the behaviour and the conditioning was failing. And while they were doing that, they're getting kudos from their peers, who, it was a reward, a positive response from their peers, because they were riling the teacher and, scoring brownie points. So I found a good comparison with Wood's experience. So here are my references, and I think I've done them all right, and hopefully that worked. Thanks for listening.